Hello and welcome to Fun Math, the home of simple, clear, and fun math lessons. Today, we're diving into something super useful, adding and subtracting decimals. So grab your pen, paper, and let's get calculating. Before we jump into the math, let's quickly remind ourselves what's a decimal. A decimal is a number that includes a dot called the decimal point to show parts of a whole. For example, we have 2.5, that's a decimal, 0.75, then 10.03. All of those are decimals. Now let's learn how to add and subtract decimals like pros. To add decimals, Step 1. Line up the decimal point and place values. That is, line up all the numbers according to their place values. Step 2. Add like regular numbers from right to left. Step 3. Keep the decimal point in the same place. Now let's take some examples. Example 1. 13.2 plus 1.57. So first I'm going to write down 13.2. Make sure that your decimals follow each other. Now, the 1 is on the units place, so it will be underneath the 3, then 5, 7. Then I'm going to add. You can add a 0 such that all the numbers have equal numbers from right to left. 0 plus 7 is 7. 2 plus 5 is 7. Don't forget to bring down your point. 3 plus 1 is 4, and we have 1. So that's just simply how to add up decimals. Let's take another example. We have 437 plus, now 41. 4 is on the tens place, 1 is on the units place. 0.56. I can add a point at the top and add zeros so that everywhere is filled up. 0.18. Now let's add up these numbers. 6 plus 8 is 14. So I'll write down 4. I'll carry my 1. 1 plus 5 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Bring down your point. 7 plus 1 is 8. 3 plus 4 is 7. Then I have a 4. Now, we have simply added up decimals. Let's quickly go into subtractions. Step 1. Line up the decimal point and place values as same as addition. Step 2. If needed, add zeros to make the numbers the same length. Step 3. Subtract like normal. Now let's take some examples. If I have 42.63 and I want to subtract 18.275, I can add a 0 so that all the numbers are of the same length. Then I can now subtract. 0 minus 5. I can't take away 5 from 0, so I have to borrow 1 from 3. Please ensure that when you are borrowing, that is, when you take out 1 from a number, cancel out that number and write out the what is left. So I'm left with 2 here and I've borrowed 1. 10 minus 5 is 5. 2 minus 7 is not possible, so I'm going to borrow 1 from 6. So I'll cancel out 6. I'm left with 5 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. 5 minus 2 is 3. Don't forget to bring down your points. 2 minus 8 is not possible, so I'm going to borrow 1 from 4. I'm left with 3, and this is 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. Then 3 minus 1 is 2. Let's take the second example. If I have 23 minus 0.13, I can add a point and add 0 such that the numbers are of the same length. Now, 0 minus 3 is not possible, so I'm going to borrow 1 from 3. If I borrow 1 from here, I'm left with 2, and this becomes 10. If I borrow 1 from here, I'm left with 9, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. Don't forget your point. 2 minus 0 is 2, and we also have 2 here. So my answer is just 22.87. Now, here are some common mistakes for you to avoid when solving addition and subtractions of decimals. Mistake 1. Writing numbers without lining up with decimal points. Make sure that your decimal points are always on a straight line. Mistake 2. Forgetting to include placeholder zeros when needed, especially when subtracting. Don't forget to include your placeholder zeros because it will be needed for subtracting. Mistake 3. Forgetting to write the decimal points in the answer. Ensure that your decimal point is always included when in your answers. Mistake 4. Not understanding how to borrow across decimal points. All of these are mistakes to avoid when adding or subtracting. Practice time. Kindly pause the video and try out these practice questions. I would love to see your answer in the comments. Okay, you just mastered adding and subtracting decimals. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and share this with your friend. Keep practicing, stay sharp, and remember, math is power. See you in the next video.